Welcome to the English Justice System. This documentary, produced by LLB Part 1 Paspan Law College, examines the criminal and civil law frameworks that govern England's court system. Join us as we explore the processes, procedures, and people shaping the country's legal landscape. Approved by the Vice Principal of Paspan Law College, Advocate Jannat Shehzad.
In project team included Hamas Akbar, Rana Ahmed, Fizan Beg, Rana Ahmed Samar, Muhammad Awais, Ali Shehzad, Ayman Amin, Ayman Fatma, Muniba Yunus, Tehniyat Hassan, Aisha Mahmood, Laika Irshad, Mafia Tabassum, Umme Habiba.
Contract dispute to have the same kind of trial as, say, Jason. That's why the courts in this country split cases into two categories: civil and criminal. A civil case is when one person, the plaintiff, brings legal action against another person who has allegedly wronged them, the defendant, with the intent of collecting damages. Damages equals money. A criminal case is where a government prosecutes someone to prove them guilty of committing a crime, like a car thief. The victim of this crime is often a witness in the government's case against the accused, as well as any eyewitnesses. In a civil case, the court can judge that a defendant owes the plaintiff money or other property or must perform a service that was promised.
Difference between the criminal law
And civil law.
in criminal law and injury to the public.
In civil law, a private injury or wrong.
In criminal law, prosecuted by government.
In civil law, plaintiff sues defendant.
In criminal law, attorneys provided if defendant cannot afford them.
In civil law, parties must be provided by their own attorneys.
In criminal law, burden of proof is beyond a reasonable doubt.
And in civil law, the burden of proof is dominant over the evidence.
In criminal law, conviction may result in civil disabilities and loss of liberty.
In civil law, no civil disabilities or no loss of liberty.
In criminal law, penalties potentially include loss of liberty.
Civil law penalties are typically monetary.
Tell me something about the project and your experience of working together with your classmates as a team.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ahmed. I will share my experience about the project. I have learned a lot of things from my fellows, like crafting, painting, and other things. My fellows are very cooperative. I have learned a lot of things about civil and criminal law with the help of this project. Lastly, I am very thankful to the administration of Paspan Law College that they have given us a chance to create such a wonderful project. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ayman Fatma and my experience regarding this team project has been amazing. During this process, I learned a lot of things about English course and my team members were really cooperative. All in all, I really enjoyed working on this project and I really want to thank the administration of Paspan Law College for giving us this amazing opportunity of working together as a team. Thank you.
And injury to the public. Burden of the proof is proponent.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Difference between criminal law and civil law.
ऐसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
Parties must be provided by their own attorneys.
तेरा तो गेम बचाना पड़े.
And in civil law, in criminal law, potentially
Chori.
in criminal law, penalties